In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create a simple Anaglyph 3D effect in Krita. This effect is that one that you see in stereoscopic images using red-cyan 3D glasses. Let's start by opening in Krita the photo or illustration that we want to add the effect to. First, we're going to add a new clone layer for the source of the effect. Then, we're going to change the blend mode of the clone layer from normal to copy red, which is in the mist category. Now we select the Move tool in the toolbox and click and drag on the canvas to move the clone layer around. As you can see here, we're practically done already. It's worth noting that while this effect looks like an Anaglyph 3D image, this is not a real Anaglyph 3D. In a real Anaglyph 3D, you need two photos of the same subject taken at slightly different perspectives. First from the perspective of the left eye, then from the perspective of the right eye. An Anaglyph 3D image is the combination of these two perspectives together. What this means in practice is that objects closer to the camera like this foot would have a small red-cyan fringe because it would look very similar from both perspectives, while objects far away from the camera like these seats would have a larger red-cyan effect because they differ a lot across perspectives. An alternative method we can use instead of the Move tool is to add a transform mask to the layer. Then, with the transform mask selected, we can use the transform tool to transform it. Transform masks are more powerful than the Move tool since we can use all sorts of transformations that are available to the transform tool. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with all the transform methods that you can find in the Tool Options docker while the transform tool is selected. A last, optional step to finish our Anaglyph effect is to make the photo layer grayscale. To do this, let's add a new filter mask to the photo layer. The filter that we want is the desaturate filter. After adding this filter, Krita will reprocess the layer stack and display the updated effect. This effect works best when there is good contrast between light and dark areas of the image. If you don't have enough contrast, you can always use a filter to increase the contrast of the image so that it looks better. This is how you create an Anaglyph 3D effect in Krita. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.